Alright, you start the drawing board. Oh, can you pick a color? And you draw on the board? We have to open the drawer. Oh, you got it.
Nah.
Draw a face. Where's Humpty Dumpty? Where are the colors? Can you change the colors? Oh, look at all those colors. How about yellow? I like yellow. Where's yellow? Can you find yellow? There's yellow. Make a circle for his head.
I have another drawing pad. This is fun.
Huh.